Hello friends, welcome back you all to the fourth video of portfolio series. Till yesterday we have created the home page. Today we will create the about us page, portfolio page and contact us page. So if you are new to my channel and watching this video first time, to let me tell you that we are creating a portfolio website. Till yesterday we have created the home page. Today we will create the about us page and portfolio and contact page. And tomorrow we will host this website on the Firebase live server. My name is Abhishek, you are watching Big Coder, and without wasting any time, let's start our video. So in the about section you can see one image is there. First of all, the header, we will use the same header, and the second we will use a image, and after that we will use the same about me section which we have created for the home page. So here what I will do, inside the portfolio 2 folder I will create a folder by the name of page, and inside this page folder I will create a file about.html. and now from the index file I will copy all the code of index file into the about.html file. So here I will copy all the code and I will paste this one in the about section, and here in the index.html file, in the header of the index file, in the about section we will provide the path of that new about.html file, and similarly we will do for portfolio and contact. When we will create that one, see, if I'm clicking on this about, then this page is redirecting me, but here we have to give the correct path for the CSS file and all the images. So in the about section, here instead of single dot we have to give double dot and then the path of the style.css, and similarly here you can see all the styling is now correct instead of the images only. So wherever we have used the image we will use double dot and then forward slash, and in the header I have given for the logo double dot. So you can see logo is also came. After that, in the banner we don't need the banner and card section, we will just keep the about us section, and we will remove the blog, services and card and banner also. So in the about section you can see everything is correct instead of the image only. So we will correct the path again, we will write double dot here, and now image is also visible. After the header, one div I am giving, and in that div I will give a image tag, and in the src I will write double dot forward slash assets, and there about image is present. So I will give the width 100%, and now you can see our about page is completed. So because everything is same, header, footer and just content we have to change little bit. Now in the about section, about page I will give the path in the about, and for the home I will give double dot index.html. So this will help us to redirect from about to home and home to about. So now we will create the portfolio file. So I will copy this about.html and paste it here, and I will rename it portfolio.html because everything is very similar, just we have to change the content and little things. So in the about page I have to change this title also about, and similarly in the portfolio page I will change the title portfolio. So after the header in the portfolio.html file, so we will change this path of the about image, and there is a portfolio.jpg, so we will set that image here. In the index file I will give the path to this anchor tag of that portfolio.html file here, and in the similar way we will give the path to the about us page. So here I will give the portfolio.html, and in the same way in the portfolio file also we will give. So now in the portfolio file you can see there is a my portfolio section. So from the home page I have kept it similar as our services, so we will copy the our services content from the index file. So this is the our services code, I will copy that one, and after the header and that image I will remove this about section from the portfolio file, and I will paste that services code, and I will write my portfolio and collection of my works, and here instead of single dot we will give double dot as I have shown you why. So here you can see now I have created the portfolio file. So in the index file we have given a button in the banner that see my work. So instead of hashtag I will give the path of that portfolio. So now when we will click on that see my work, then it will redirect us to the portfolio page, and now it's time to create the last page, that is contact us. So in the contact us the image is same, but we have to use the form there. I will copy the portfolio.html file and I will rename it contact.html, and I will change the title to contact. We will remove this services, we will keep the margin top, and we will remove the services part. So there only I have kept the column MD 12 and I will write a form inside that. So we have to search Bootstrap 5, and in the Bootstrap 5 I will go to the form, and so I will click the form control, and here you can see in the form control there is already two input fields are there. I will copy that one, I will paste it here, and I will copy this first one, div, this one, line number 65, and I will copy and paste it, and one field I will give name, and in the placeholder I will give name, and the rest two will be same, email address and the last one. So now almost we have done the contact page. So in the index file I will give the path of that contact page in the anchor tag. So here in the page contact.html I will provide, and similarly we have to give in about and portfolio page also path of this contact file, and here in the portfolio file in the header we will change the path, and at the last in the contact page also I will give the path of this same file. So now you can see it is not redirecting, because in the portfolio file I have given the path portfolio, that's why it is not redirecting. I will change to contact, and now you can see it is changed, but image is not changed because image is still portfolio.jpg. I will change that image to contact.jpg, and now you can see the image is now here, and we have to give this heading contact. And so here from the portfolio file I will copy this div, the heading section, main title content, and till h2 I will copy, and I will paste this inside the row here, and I will close the div because one div is extra here. So I will copy that one, I will save, and I will change the content contact us and send your query here. In the h2 I will write send your query here. So our contact page is also completed. So now in the about me section I have given a download button. So how we can provide, so this is basically I have a file in my Google Drive, so that link I have provided here in the download one. So in the index file I will open the index file here, and in that section in the banner where I have given, in the about section where I have given the hashtag in href, I will replace that my Google Drive file link. So when we will click again on this one in this project, so when I will click now in the download, then it will open that link, and from here we can download the file. In this way we can create a very beautiful portfolio website by using Bootstrap 5. Now tomorrow we will host this website on the Firebase. If you enjoyed this video, then please hit that like and subscribe button, and see you tomorrow